Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to create a group task that can be completed by several employees together. To create a group task, click on Add Task at the top right and add a single task. Now, let's say one of the tasks is to purchase supplies for the office. We can now assign it to several people who can go ahead and complete it. To make it more elaborate, we will click on Add More Details and choose 3 subtasks. Choose the due date and publish it to our employees. Now, when Pamela enters the task, she can complete 2 subtasks. And when Anita enters the same task, she can complete the 3rd. Just like the dashboard, when entering my tasks, I will see the task in the list view and on the dates view. When looking at the task from the Manager dashboard and mobile app, it will be clear who completed what. Finally, it is also possible to create a group task when creating multiple tasks from the dashboard. You can also create them directly from the mobile application, giving you maximum flexibility. Thanks for watching.